Everybody's looking for ways to boost their brain power, right? Whether it's acing that next exam, nailing a big presentation at work, or simply staying sharp as we age, we all want to keep our minds in top shape. The quest for cognitive enhancement has led people to try all sorts of things, from brain training apps to nootropic supplements. But what if the secret to a sharper mind was hiding in plain sight, right on your dinner plate? What if I told you it could be as simple as eating salmon? Yes, you heard that right. This delicious, versatile fish might just be the brain-boosting superfood you've been looking for. Imagine enjoying a mouth-watering meal while also giving your brain the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Sounds too good to be true? Let's dive into the science behind it. All right, so here's the scoop. Salmon is not just a tasty treat, it's a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with essential nutrients that can have a profound impact on your brain health. But what exactly makes salmon so special? Let's break it down. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. Omega-3s are crucial for brain health, and salmon is one of the best sources out there. But what do these omega-3s actually do for your brain? These bad boys are like rocket fuel for your brain. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, are a major building block of the brain. They play a key role in maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. Think of them as the high-octane fuel that keeps your brain running smoothly and efficiently. Studies show that omega-3s can improve memory, help you focus, and even reduce stress. Imagine being able to recall information more easily, stay laser-focused on tasks, and feel more relaxed and less anxious. That's the power of omega-3s. But wait, there's more. Salmon is not a one-trick pony when it comes to brain health. Salmon also has high levels of vitamin D and B12. These vitamins are essential for brain function and overall health. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is known to boost your mood and support cognitive function. It's like a ray of sunshine for your brain, helping to keep those mental clouds at bay. Vitamin D is known to boost your mood, while B12 keeps your brain sharp as a tack. Vitamin B12 is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve cells and producing DNA and RNA, the body's genetic material. It's like the maintenance crew for your brain, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. And get this, eating salmon regularly can even help protect against age-related mental decline. As we age, our brains naturally undergo changes that can affect memory and cognitive function. But a diet rich in omega-3s, vitamin D, and B12 can help slow down these changes and keep your brain healthier for longer. So whether you're cramming for exams or just want to stay on top of your game, salmon's got your back. It's not just for students or professionals. Athletes and anyone looking to maintain peak mental performance can benefit from this brain-boosting fish. Imagine having the mental clarity and focus to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Okay, let's keep it real. No food is a magic bullet, but adding salmon to your diet, definitely a smart move. It's a simple, delicious way to give your brain the nutrients it needs to thrive. Plus, it's versatile and can be prepared in so many different ways, from grilling to baking to sushi. There's a salmon dish for every palate. So next time you're at the grocery store, think brain power, think salmon. Look for fresh, high-quality salmon and incorporate it into your meals a few times a week. Your brain will thank you for it. And remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and mental stimulation are also crucial for maintaining cognitive health. Stay sharp, stay healthy, and as always, keep learning. Catch you later. Remember, the journey to better brain health is a marathon, not a sprint. Every small step you take, like adding salmon to your diet, brings you closer to a sharper, more focused mind. So go ahead, enjoy that delicious salmon dish, and give your brain the boost it deserves. Until next time, take care and keep nourishing your mind and body.